morning tayo ni Kuya Yaman, mga supporters ko. Good morning guys. So today's video is about red flags. So red flags before applying to specific in-house or especially to Accenture or any financial institution. FYI, mga tips. So mabigyan lang tayong 5. Una, so during interview, kailangan sabihin niyo totoo na you are currently employed. That's the most important. Second, kailangan sabihin mo talaga lahat ng employments mo, especially for the last 5 years. Kasi lalo na sa mga financial institution or Accenture, mahigpit sila sa background check. Mainam na magsabi kang totoo kaysa pag-explain ka panda sa IBI tool. Third, kailangan masterin mo. Kailangan always kang sasagot ng yes during the interview, and then kapag sinabing work from home, hindi work from home, you can say yes kasi there are some specific LOB na work from home talaga depending on the project. And last na ba? Kailangan alam mo yung mga dates kung kailan ka nagsimula at kung kailan ka nag-end sa employment mo. Specifically, kahit hindi specific date, at least yung estimated date. Sana makatulong ito.